Okay, peeps. I just got us all collaborative YouTube channel where you can upload your stuff for future video editing. It can be edited if you want now, and people can chop it up and use your stuff for later, or some music stuff if you want people to use that in their projects later. But you know, let's try to keep it like a serious thing. Not serious. Let's have fun, of course, but you know. Mainly, we don't really want, say, vlogs and stuff on there, is what my idea is. We want, you know, actual people that are into video editing. It doesn't have to be incredibly intricate like me. I use an iPod, so I can't do too much, you know, but just the attempt. Or some cool music. If you want to upload your music, that's cool. So let's just try to keep it, you know, try to be legitimately creative, or, you know, I just don't want... You know, let's all try to share it. You know, let's work together. It's a collaborative thing. You got your Amy Wamey and your Nate Elder on the Resonate, gonna bust a move, and you know, they're the key figures here that I thought of when making this channel. And the channel name for us here is called FlyOnWallFiesta. Password. Oh yeah, maybe I shouldn't do the password just this second. We'll be giving out via the members to each other. We can upload our videos. And then I was thinking also we should maybe preface the videos that we think are completed on our side anyway. After, like the one I'm going to give you now isn't completed. It just sounds from my dishwashing job and it's intro. But like completed works where you take people's stuff and edit, and we should preface it with something, whatever your guys' idea is. Not completed, but there should be some kind of I don't know, stage one finished product, or stage, or whatever, you know, whoever has an idea out there, let's, you know, as compared to this one, well, this is the intro, as compared to like your sounds, like at the end of this one I have dishwashing sounds and loaded. That's not like a finished work, that's just material. Like I saw Amy Wamey
and Nate Elder already have some, and I need that intro thing you guys have on there. It's harder for me on an iPod to
pull stuff out of video, like you can on your PCs. I have to pull out, anyways, I'm going off too much, so you get the point. This is it. Fly on a wall fiesta. Let's fly, people. Damn it. Alright, peeps. Here's some stuff for, whatever. Some future sampling, editing stuff. I'm really tired. And, I just got this channel here, Fly on Wall Fiesta. And let's start the group collaboration. Oops. I put my teeth in. That's highly unacceptable, dudes. Dish noise. Stopping for shit. Yeah, whatever. I'm not used to this one-handed, she said. dishwashing sounds to be mixed up later.